Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing data and isolating the failing drive. Backup critical files now to an external disk or cloud, then create a Windows recovery USB. Once done, power down and unplug non-essential drives so the system only sees the SSD you will repair. This prevents accidental writes. Boot into the recovery environment from the USB, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. You're now positioned to run diagnostics and repair tools directly against the SSD without risking other volumes. You'll now run low-level checks and system repairs. Open Command Prompt and run chkdsk/f/r to locate and attempt to fix bad sectors. This can take time depending on drive size. After chkdsk, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health and then sfc/scano to repair Windows components. These fix drivers and system file corruption that cause blue screens. If chkdsk reports hardware issues, boot a vendor WinPE tool and update the SSD firmware to resolve known controller bugs and compatibility problems. Finish by restoring the boot environment and confirming stability. In Command Prompt run bootrec/fixmr, bootrec/fixboot, and bootrec/rebuild to restore corrupted boot records that cause blue screens at startup. Once repaired, reboot into Windows and run a full smart check and stress test. Make sure trim is enabled and drivers are current. If you must reinstall Windows, choose Custom Install and keep user data if possible. If errors persist after testing on a second machine, you likely need warranty RMA or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.